Green tea is the healthiest beverage on the planet. It is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that have powerful effects on the body. These include improved brain function, fat loss, a lower risk of cancer, and many other impressive benefits. Here are 5 incredible benefits of drinking green tea. 1. Green tea contains bioactive compounds that improve health. Many of the plant compounds in the tea leaves do make it into the final drink, which contains large amounts of important nutrients. Tea is rich in polyphenols that have effects like reducing inflammation and helping to fight cancer. Green tea is loaded with polyphenol antioxidants, including a catechin called EGCG. These antioxidants can have various beneficial effects on health. 2. Drinking green tea results in a more healthy heart. A 2006 study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association concluded that green tea consumption is associated with reduced mortality due to all causes, including cardiovascular disease. The participants who drank at least 5 cups of green tea per day had a significantly lower risk of dying, especially from cardiovascular disease, than those who drank less than 1 cup of tea per day. 3. It lowers cholesterol. An analysis of published studies in 2011 found that consuming green tea, either as a beverage or in capsule form, was linked to significant but modest reductions in total and LDL or bad cholesterol. 4. It can cure type 2 diabetes. Studies concerning the relationship between green tea and diabetes have been inconsistent. Some have shown a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes for green tea drinkers than for those who consumed no tea, while other studies have found no association between tea consumption and diabetes at all. 5. It helps to lose weight. Green tea may promote a small, non-significant weight loss in overweight and obese adults. However, since weight loss in the studies was so minimal, it is unlikely that green tea is clinically important for weight loss. If you want to find out the best green tea on the market you can check out the first link in the description. Peace.